you very much. I tell you, I apologize, Janelle. That was definitely damn Davina Delicious.
Well, I'm sure for the Valkyries it was quite a ride.
Yes, it was quite a ride for me, too. I tell you what, let's get that bad taste in our mouth with a little taste of Vitamina Vegemin.
I hope that girl hasn't been swigging that stuff backstage.
Maybe not.
Hello, friends. I'm your Vitamina Vegemin girl. Are you tired, run down, listless? Do you poop out at parties? Are you unpopular? The answer to all your problems is in this little bottle. Vitamina Vegemin. Vitamina Vegemin contains vitamins, meat, vegetables, and minerals. With Vitamina Vegemin, you can spoon your way to health. All you do is take a great big tablespoon after every meal. And it's so darn tasty, too. Tastes just like candy. Honest. So why don't you join the thousands of happy, peppy people and get a great big bottle of Vitamina Vegemin. That's Vitamina Vegemite.
I don't know, Clay. I think it might be time to introduce some real vocal talent to our show.
I hope she makes it to the end of the first act.
I hope she makes it to the end of the show.
Oh my goodness.
Well, now I think it's time to introduce some real vocal talent.
I agree, Janelle.
Our very own.
That's right, we've scoured the island, and not in the washateria, for
the talent that we've assembled to bring to this show tonight.
That's true.
Yeah.
Let's bring them out. They're standing ready to go, ladies and gentlemen.
Our very own Ragamuffin Quartet, singing an old favorite song of yours and mine, Clay.
What is it?
Bill Grogan's Ghost.
I love that song.
Me too.
Bill Grogan's goat
was feeling fine.
was feeling fine.
Ate 3 red shirts
Ate 3 red shirts
from off the line.
from off the line.
Bill took a stick,
Bill took a stick,
gave him a whack,
gave him a whack,
and tied him to
and tied him to
the railroad track.
the railroad track.
The whistle blew,
The whistle blew,
the train was nigh.
the train was nigh.
Bill Grogan's goat
Bill Grogan's goat
was doomed to die.
was doomed to die.
He heaved a sigh,
He heaved a sigh,
as if in pain.
as if in pain,
Coughed up the shirts
coughed up the shirts,
and flagged
That's entertainment, folks.
I must agree, Clay. Don't you think, folks? Yes.
Well, why don't we shift gears a little bit here? We have a local comedian, some of you may know.
Big island, big families, you might be related.
And big talent, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, the comic musings of Miss Tanya Ann. Come with me, dear.
Thank you. I haven't even made you LOL yet. I was thinking if chickens were emceeing this show, we would have opened singing, "That's entertainment." Ba, 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 ba. My husband and I, we've been married for over 15 years. We got strong foundations. We got dreams. We got kids. We got debt. And we got a lot of trust. Because a marriage without trust is like an iPhone without service. You're just playing games. We used to be really good friends with our neighbors next door. We knew everything about them. Then they put a password on their Wi-Fi. When I was growing up in the 70s, I belonged to social networks. I did. I was on the playground, and I was on the Girl Scouts. The Girl Scouts, they liked and shared, but on the playground, they chased and teased. Yeah, because when I was a kid, when I was growing up, kids made fun of me because I had imaginary friends. But now I'm an adult and I have Facebook. My friend Simon, he posted a picture of himself standing on the edge of the Golden Gate Bridge, so I poked him. My mom, though, she's holding back getting her Facebook account, and I'm so happy because I have no idea how to hook up her typewriter to the internet. I was thinking about changing my Facebook profile to benefits, so that when people become friends with me, they get a message saying, "You are now friends with benefits." Reminds me of my 20s. Or I could change my name to No One, so that when people get my friend request, they get a message saying, "No one wants to be your friend." I was talking to my husband, I said, "Hey honey, I want to go somewhere for my birthday, somewhere I haven't been for a while." He suggested the kitchen. I said, "Come on honey, I mean it for reals, you know, take me somewhere expensive." Yeah, he took me out to fill up my gas tank. But he loves me, we're having fun growing old together, you know, because getting old, I used to look forward to it. You know, I couldn't wait to drive, I couldn't wait to turn 21, but now my mind and my body, they just keep arguing about how old we are. I'm 25, you're 45. I'm 25, you're 45. My body always wins because my body has a secret weapon my mind can't deny, a mirror. Yeah, but you know, nothing screams getting older like watching your kids grow up, right? You guys, parents know this. I look at my daughter now and I really understand the idea behind the chastity belt. So being a modern mom, I'm going to get her a tattoo, right here, a big red stop sign. A stop sign that says, "For a good time, call my mother." Yeah, because the worst thing about raising kids is that being a good role model is really hard because it takes all the fun out of being a grown-up. I want my kids to be independent as long as they do everything I say. But my son, he's always on that darn smartphone, you know? I mean, so am I, you know? But it's not fair because he doesn't actually have other things to do. My son, he came out, he was a really big baby. He was 10 pounds, a real butterball. I still have all the stuffing to prove it. He was so big when he came out that the doctor said, "Don't bother breastfeeding him. Just get him a Loco Moco." Yeah, and ever since then, my house has been a mess. But I don't care, I'm not gonna clean until they move out of the house. You know why? Because cleaning the house while you still have kids is like trying to keep the sand off your towel at the beach. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've been great. Well, since I'm already out here, I might as well introduce the next act. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you the Harbinger of Hats. Hats off to Hunter Way.
folks. It's me again, by the way, in case you didn't recognize me in this snappy outfit. Basically what you can find at the KO landfill. Part of the fun directing these shows here at the Palace is we get an opportunity to find young talent that is just kind of budding as they are growing into their wonderful future. This next young man actually came to us for our audition on Saturday morning 2 months ago. And he came from Bahala, actually the far side of Bahala, if there is such a thing. 115-mile round trip by bus just to audition for this show. Now that's not why we put him in the show. We actually put him in the show because he can sing really good. And he's only 12. So, ladies and gentlemen, his Palace debut, Mr. Jesse Dobbs.
I'm not that big, and I'm...
Never mind, dear. Some things are better left a mystery in life.
Thank you.
Like why are skies blue? Oh, I didn't know we had another word from the sponsor. We better get out of the way.
I think so.
Tired, run down, listless. Do you populate parties? Are you perpendicular? Well, are you? The answer to all your problems is in this little bottle right here. You know it's very hot in here. Vitamin. That's the one. Vitamin. My vitamin contains vitamins, vegetables, and minerals, and things
kids
Oh,
now.
turn,
Wait,
girl,
what's
turn,
this?
darling,
Wait,
turn.
what's going on?
Walk straight ahead.
Oh, not you
Come on,
again.
I'll help you.
I thought we got rid of you a long time ago. Can we have security out
No,
here?
wait. I have this great act. You gotta see it. It's a musical number. You'll love it.
You're not going to tell me you can play that thing.
Okay, I won't.
Can we get security, please?
No, wait. Just give me a chance. Just give me a chance here.
No. Okay. 10 seconds to
Wait,
wow
wait,
us.
the
10
last one turned
seconds.
out all right. Ready?
No. Can we get
Wait a minute.
Yes. There he is. Get him.
Wait.
Yeah, exactly. Get him out.
Ho.
I tell you. Can we get somebody to take this out of here? Come on. Kid, can you do something with this?